Hello guys, today's tutorial is about installing IIS onto a Windows desktop environment. As of now, I have taken steps for Windows 10. Most likely it's going to be same for even 8.1 or Windows 7. The steps are listed here and I'll be following the same. So as per the steps, let's go to Apps, Settings, Apps, Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down and look for Internet Information Services. I'm checking this. Expand the plus button. We'll go for first Web Management Tools. You have to enable the checkbox IIS Management Console, IIS Management Scripting and Tools, and IIS Management Services. If you're using a very old code, say Visual Basic or ASP.NET previous versions, say .NET Framework 2.0, 1.0 or maybe 3.5, in that case you will have to enable IIS Management Compatibility option. Anyways, we are not taking it off because we are not working on the older versions of application. Expand World Wide Web Services. First option is Application Development Features. We have to select .NET Extensibility 4.8, ASP.NET 4.8, ASP, CGI. If you see, the other options are automatically getting enabled if it is dependent. You can see ISAPI Extensions, ISAPI Filters, these options got automatic enabled. Expand Common HTTP features. Default document we need, directory browsing, HTTP errors, static content. These are the options that you have to tick. Click on Health and Diagnosis. Mark HTTP logging and request monitor. Scroll further, you will see performance features. Expand it. You can select static content compression, then expand security. Enable request filtering and Windows authentication. These are the options that we need to enable for IIS web server installation into a Windows environment, which is a desktop environment, meaning a desktop computer. It can be Windows 10, it can be Windows 11 also, it can be Windows 8.1 or maybe a Windows 7 system. I'm saying okay. It takes some time. So this takes like time, depends upon your hardware configuration. My hardware configuration is a little bit good. I'm using an SSD into my system. I have 8 GB of RAM. Accordingly, it's taking me a little less time. Otherwise, if you have older systems, then it may take more time. Almost completed. Meanwhile, it is getting completed. Let me show you what we have. So these are the options that we have to enable. I will be copying everything and pasting into the description of this video so that you can copy paste, and or also you can refer and use these while you are enabling, or you can refer this while you are installing the IIS into the Windows desktop environment. Let's see the progress. It says Windows completed the required changes. Okay, click close button. You will close this window. Once IIS is successfully installed, you should restart your computer. However, it is not mandatory. Let's see if the IIS is successfully installed. To check it, go to Start button, look for IIS. You will see Internet Information Service Manager. You can click on this, and then you should see the IIS Manager. You can expand this, come to Sites, Default Website, and see this is the way the default setup of the IIS looks like. You can also start your IIS Manager by going to the Windows R button together, type inet mgr and click on OK. it will same thing do, that is it will open IIS Manager. You can expand the main server node, go to sites, default website, and to be able to browse and see if the default website is coming properly, you can always go to here, browse 80 HTTP port, click on this, and then you should be able to see the default page of the IIS. If this page is coming, this means the IIS is successfully installed in your computer. Congratulations. Thank you for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.